Welcome back. In the first part of this tutorial, we set up the core logic for our fitness coach gem, but we came up across a limitation. Even though we uploaded a reference image to the knowledge base, the generated daily motivation backgrounds didn't look anything like our original image. Let's fix that by understanding how the system actually processes these different types of data. I have mentioned before that Gemini is multimodal. It can see, read, and hear all at once. That is all true. However, there is a technical difference in how a gem reads a file and how it creates an image. When we upload a reference to the knowledge base, Gemini uses its vision capability to analyze the file and summarize it into text-based data for its long-term memory. But when the gem generates a new image, it triggers a separate image generation model. According to Gemini's technical documentation, this generation model cannot directly see the raw pixels of your knowledge base files. It only receives a text-based prompt. If your instructions simply say match the style in the knowledge base, the AI is working from a summary, not the original source, and the original style gets lost. To solve this, we move from referencing to specifying. Instead of showing the gem a file and hoping it interprets the style correctly, we are going to write a visual specification directly into the instructions. This ensures that every time the gem creates an image, it follows your exact rules without any guesswork. Here is how we do this. Go to your list of gems, find the one that you'd like to edit and click on the edit icon. And from here, go to your instructions. In the motivation section, let's remove this vague instruction. Next, we will add a description for our image. To create it, open a separate chat, upload your reference image, and use this prompt. I suggest switching to thinking model here for better results. Once you have the image description, paste it right into your gem's instructions. Here is the description that I have for my reference image. This defines the layout, the fonts, and the atmosphere, so the model has a clear set of guardrails. Once we do this, we can click on Update to save the changes. Let me start a new chat to test the changes that we just made. You see that our new image and the reference one are not the same, but very similar in their layout, visual hierarchy, and overall aesthetic. A frosted glass text box over a soft pastel cityscape at dusk. And that's it for this tutorial. Please write in the comments for this video what gem you are planning to work on, and I'll see ya in the following video.